Today I'm going to show you how to build a mousetrap booby trap that my dad made when he was in high school. So here are the supplies that you're going to need. You're going to need a paint stir or a piece of stick or something about this length. You're going to need some glue, some string, some clothespins or clamps, a mousetrap, a pin, some pulling fireworks or booby traps. You can get them at fireworks shops and different places. A saw, scissors, and pliers. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the mousetrap, put it on the stick, mark about where it is on here. Then you're going to take some glue, put it on that area. Elmer's is what I'm using. Then take the mousetrap, put it on here so it matches up about 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Then use your clamps or clothespins to hold it on. And then we will let that dry and come back in about 30 minutes and it should be dry. So now it's been about half an hour and the mousetrap should be dry. So I'm going to take the clamps off. And it's dry, and so now you can use the mousetrap before you do this and measure about 1.5 mousetraps back, or you can use a ruler and it's about 3 inches. You want to make a mark and then take the saw that we have and make notches on each end, so then the string that we use won't be sliding around. So not very deep or anything. Okay. Then take the string, or actually first, if you have the mousetrap that has a staple holding the metal thingy-majig down, take that out with the pliers and then stick it in the end right in front of the hole closest to the end in the yellow lever. Okay, once you've got the staple in, get your string about 3 feet long, roughly 2, doesn't really matter. Then thread it through the staple you just put in. Then put it under the wire. Then put it through the hole closest to the end on the lever. Then tie a knot. Then you can cut the extra off. Now when you pull this, it'll pull that down. Now take your pulling firework, put it in the notches we just made with the saw. Then tie this using as little string as you can. Then take the other end and tie it onto the wire. And why the staple's in the end, by the way, is so then when the string is pulled in any motion, it'll pull the lever in a downward direction and therefore set it off. So now let's set the mouse trap. You want to keep your finger on the end so it doesn't go off while you're holding it. Pull the string of the pulling firework to the back so when it releases, it will pull the pulling firework. And now that you know how to make it, now you can use it on your friends, family. You can put it on the door so when they open the door, it'll go off, or attach it to their headphones if they use a computer. And so now, when you pull the string, once it's set, it should go off like so.